Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials: a Google account, a working payment method, and a VPN endpoint in the country where you want a number. Next, make sure you have a local phone number for verification. This may be a prepaid SIM or a trusted VoIP line. The why is simple. Google needs a reachable verification target. Once done, install Google Voice on your phone and Chrome on desktop. Sign in, and set permissions for location and notifications so the app can complete setup without interruptions. With the VPN active to the target country, open Voice. Google, Com or the mobile app and begin claiming a number. Search by city or area code to find a suitable choice. You will link forwarding numbers. These can be your mobile, a landline, or a VoIP gateway. Because Google routes calls through verified endpoints, this is why verification matters. Verify each linked phone with the code sent, then configure voicemail greetings, notification preferences, and call screening so calls behave predictably across devices and networks. Finish by testing inbound calls, outbound dialing, and SMS to confirm caller ID and voicemail work across networks. This step verifies routing and billing behavior. If you hit verification or registration errors, clear browser cookies, use an incognito window, and reconnect the VPN to a different exit. Sometimes switching the local number or using your payments profile to reflect the target country resolves regional blocks. One troubleshooting tip: if calls drop, change the VPN exit and retest. Network route instability is the usual culprit, so re-establish a stable tunnel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.